This CUCKOO induction heating pressure rice cooker delivers remarkably even, fluffy rice and grains that feel very close to what you get from high-end Korean restaurants at home. Its capacity comfortably handles everyday meals for a small family while still being able to stretch to gatherings when you need a full pot of cooked rice. The wide range of cooking programs, including options for different rice types, porridge, steaming, and pressure cooking, makes it a versatile replacement for several separate appliances. Fuzzy logic control, paired with a clear touch display and multilingual voice guidance, makes the cooker surprisingly easy to use even for people who are new to advanced rice cookers. The stainless steel inner pot with a durable nonstick coating heats very evenly, resists sticking, and feels built to last through frequent use and washing. An automatic steam cleaning cycle and generally tidy interior design make ongoing maintenance quick, so the cooker stays fresh without much scrubbing.